Welcome to the channel. In today's little ditty, we're going to be discussing my day-to-day currently, as of today. Today's going to be an extremely busy day. I wake up 3 o'clock in the morning, and then I have to go to work at 4 o'clock. I have donations I have to finish donating, and there's a carnival in town. So today is going to be extremely busy. Besides that 16 boxes of cornflakes that I donated, I bought 8 more boxes. So that's roughly 24 boxes of cornflakes I bought. I kept 4 of them. I've already ate 1 box. I have to eat 2, but I'm going to donate the rest of these to refilling up the box. I took some cornflakes to the box yesterday and filled it up with 8 boxes. It's really dark out. I filled this up yesterday with 8 boxes, and apparently it already sold. They're not sold. They already grabbed them. So it makes me really happy that they already grabbed 7 boxes of these cornflakes. They were on sale for $2. That's why I have them for so cheap. But yeah, I'm not allowed to have a camera at work. It's against work policy. But regardless of that, this is my work, and we'll continue more about that. Anywho, on my lunch break, I like to spend my hour on my lunch in my truck because it's nice and quiet. Unfortunately, I'm cheap and I can't run my air conditioner without worrying about the wear and tear on my truck, which is a piece of crap. And to keep cool, I have 2 personal fans. And yeah, that's my lunch break. Now I'm home. Now I quickly have to get home and water my plants because I left these tomatoes plants in the pots that are way too small, and they are root bound, and they are 3 feet tall. I know. I'll show you the other ones. And then after I get done watering the inside plants, I have to come out here to the outside plants that have not produced tomatoes yet, because these are the ones that are going to produce like a zillion tomatoes all at once. So yummy yum. My carrots are doing good. I wanted the garden to be a little bigger, so I made space for more vegetables, but then I decided not to because of how much trouble. The power went out last night and my TV shut off, which means I'll have trouble getting it back on. I'll have to push this button about 10 or 15 100 times, and or there it goes, fixed it. See, that's how you fix your TV. You punch it. So, oh, no, didn't fix it. There you go. Oh, fixed it. It's fixed. I fixed it. Wait a minute. Wait for it. Oh, and look at this. There's a big old freaking line in my TV. That's always fun. So when you say treat myself, I think I should buy a TV, but I have 2 TVs. I know they're not giant size, but they get the job done. Alright, and now for the thing I've been fearing. Today is the day I'm releasing my 1 view, 1 cent video to feed the hungry boxes in town. And I lost about 8 minutes of footage, so I still pieced it together the best as possible. Alright, I'm here really loud, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but as you see, there's a concert going on right here, 3 blocks away from my house. And you can barely hear this from my house, but you get the gist of it. And that concludes today's trip to the Sand Bass Festival. The rest of my day My normal pattern of what I normally do is I watch uh, the 5 o'clock news, and then this 5:30 news, which is the headline news, and then I watch The Big Bang Theory at 6:30, and then at 7 o'clock I go to bed usually, and I get roughly about 8 hours of sleep. There's just so many people walking around outside. I got scared. And Alright, I ran over here. It was like, we are not carrying 12 cans of chili and beef stew, and the cornflakes aren't heavy, but the rest of it, I did manage to get it to like 80 degrees in here today, so that's not too bad. It'd be probably better if I had an air conditioner in this extra room and or shut these things off with little curtains, you know. It does the job when I'm in here because I can shut the door completely. And it's 7:30, and that is it. And there's really nothing else to say.